Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Kwame & Co. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable rollover credits for usage-limited subscriptions in Momence. Starting from the Momence dashboard, on the left here, click on Memberships, then click Subscriptions/Packs. Now edit the subscription and scroll down a little bit. Now, this option is only available for auto-renewing subscriptions, so you have to make sure that this option is turned on here. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see the option Enable Rollover of Unused Credits. So if you turn this on, you'll have two more options to choose from. The first one, Add Credits to Next Renewal. This will roll over any unused credits to the next period. So let's say it's a monthly subscription. If there are any unused credits when the month is up, it'll automatically roll over to the next month. Bear in mind that if those same credits are still unused, they won't continue to roll over. They'll only roll over for the next month and then they'll expire after that. If you want customers to be able to keep the credits for longer, the next option is Add Credits to Customer's Account. Here you'll be able to choose when they expire. So let's say you want them to expire after 1 year. You can just choose the unit here and then just add a 1 here. So any unused credits will expire after 1 year instead. And that's all you need to do. So if you scroll down here, just make sure you click save and the subscription will be updated straight away. Hopefully this video was helpful and thanks for watching.